The hidden reason insurance claims get denied after major storms and disasters. A storm passes, the wind slows, the water begins to recede. A homeowner walks back toward what used to be their house, expecting answers from the insurance policy they've paid into for years. But what they don't expect is this: the damage isn't the real problem. Two homes on the same street can look equally destroyed. Same storm, same neighborhood, same expectations. Yet weeks later, one claim moves forward, while the other gets denied. Not because the damage is different, but because of something decided long before the storm ever arrived. And most people never notice it until it is already too late. After major disasters, insurance does not begin with the question of how bad the damage is. It begins with a different question entirely: what exactly caused it? That single shift quietly changes everything. Because in insurance, similar destruction can be placed into completely different categories, and those categories can lead to completely different outcomes for the homeowner. In large storms, damage rarely comes from one single source. There is wind damage, rain damage, rising water, storm surge, and groundwater. Each one can be treated differently inside an insurance policy. From the outside, it looks like one event, but inside the system, it may be broken down into multiple causes. And once that breakdown happens, coverage is no longer about what you see. It becomes about how the cause is defined. If a cause falls under an exclusion in the policy, that portion of the loss may not be covered at all. After major disasters, another layer appears that most homeowners never consider. Insurance adjusters rely on documentation, timing, and physical evidence to rebuild what happened. But storms do not leave perfect records. Watermarks fade, debris is removed, and in many cases, repairs begin before a full inspection takes place. At that point, the claim is no longer just about damage. It becomes a reconstruction of events using incomplete information. And even small differences in interpretation can lead to completely different outcomes for homes that look almost identical. The real issue is not whether insurance works or fails. The issue is whether the cause of damage matches the exact coverage language written inside the policy. Most people assume one disaster equals one clear coverage result. But in reality, one disaster can contain multiple causes, and each cause can be treated differently under the contract. After the storm passes, the damage is easy to see, but the decision was shaped much earlier, inside definitions and exclusions that most people never read closely. That gap between what homeowners expect and what the policy actually says is where most disputes begin.